Meet the Jazz tricycle. Now I will show you how to assemble it. Here are the bike's components: frame with seat, parent handle, wheels, mudguard, pedals, canopy, bag with backpack function. We start the assembly by unfolding the frame with the seat and mounting the parent handle. Open the sidebars with a locking button, and then unfold the seat of the bike until you hear a click. Now slide the parent handle and secure the locking lever. OK, you can now unfold the handlebar of the bike. Do it until you hear a click, and then close the sidebars again. Then pull out the rear axle of the bike and lock it. Now it's time to connect the frame to the rear wheels. Slide them into the opening in the frame until you hear a click. The same goes for the other side. The next step is to put the mudguard on the front wheel fork and lift the lever connecting the front wheel to the handlebar and put them into the bike frame. Now it's time for the pedals. Put them into the holes of the front fork until you hear a click. Now lock them with this lever if the child can pedal independently. If your child is still too small for this, you can unlock the lever and use the free wheel function. The next step is a canopy. Insert it into the backrest until you hear a click. The canopy folds and unfolds easily. If you wanted to protect the baby from strong sun, you have to unfold it to the maximum, together with a shield at the front. And the last stage, the bag. Thanks to the belts, it can be worn like a backpack. Before attaching, remove the straps, hang it onto the handle and close the Velcro fastenings on the rear axle of the bike. This bike has an adjustable footrest. Unfold it and open outwards, pulling the lever and setting the position. Remember that with the footrest folded out, always turn off the pedal lock in the front wheels. If the child can pedal independently, you can connect the handlebar with the front wheel. If not, leave the button on the mudguard until it locks into place. Remember to adjust the straps. You can do it easily with a few movements. The parent handle can be easily adjusted to your height. Unlock the lever, press the metal latch and set its length. Let's make sure that they are secured. And when the child is ready to ride on its own, you can change the bike with a few moves. Pull out the canopy, remove the bag, dismantle the parent handle, OK, now you can take out the safety barriers and unlock the handlebar. Then pull out the belts. First at the buckle at the front of the bike, and then through the holes in the backrest. Now the crotch strap. Remove the screw fixing the seat and screw fixing the belt underneath the seat. OK. And when you want to take your bike with you, you can fold it conveniently. You hide the parent handle and open the sidebars by pressing this locking button. Pull the lever on the handlebar and fold it. Now pull the locking lever on the parent handle and fold the backrest on the frame. You put the canopy towards the rear wheels. Oh yes, the rear axle of the bike is folded underneath the frame. When folded, the bicycle is super small in size. When the rear wheels are unfolded, it can be pulled along like a suitcase by holding the parent handle. If you want to dismantle the rear wheels, press these buttons on the rear axle. You can also dismantle the front wheel. Press this button on the bike frame and pull it out. Now the bike is ready to be taken for a ride. You can move it easily with one hand. Easy, isn't it?